Republican Arkansas Senator Tom and CNN anchor Jake Tapper debated the differences between Supreme Court nominees Amy Coney Barrett and Merrick Garland during a Sunday morning State of the Union interview. The segment began with Tapper playing a clip of appealing to the concept of giving voters a chance to weigh in on the makeup of the Supreme Court So that clip from the Senate floor in March was 8 months before the election, Tapper said. Right now we're 5 weeks out from the election. Why was it so important back then to let the voters have a chance to weigh in on the makeup of the Supreme Court, but today it's not? Yeah, Jake, it's not so much about the timing, but how the voters had responded. They had delivered a split decision to the president and the Senate at the time. They elected Barack Obama in 2012. They elected me and a lot of other Republicans in 2014 as a break in the agenda, most notably on his far-left judicial nominees. That's not the case now. In 2018 we had about as clear a national referendum as we could, he continued. Just 1 month after the Justice Kavanaugh confirmation in which Democrats threw everything but the kitchen sink at him, they didn't just re-elect a Republican majority, they expanded a Republican majority. Close quote pointed out that 4 Democrats who voted against Kavanaugh were defeated while the 1 Democrat who voted for him, West Virginia's was re-elected. That is true, that's what happened in the Senate, but in the House the American people gave it to the Democrats by a fairly overwhelming margin, Tapper said before playing a clip of warning of the ideological differences between the late Justice Antonin, Scalia and Garland. Again, that ideological difference certainly exists between the late Justice Ginsburg and Judge Barrett, Tapper noted. It's perhaps even more of a stark difference, frankly, considering Merrick Garland was center-left. So again, to apply your principles, which I'm not sure are any longer operative, shouldn't the American people get the chance to weigh in? Polls indicate that's what the public thinks, that whoever's elected November 3rd should pick the Supreme Court justice. Close quote against reference the split decision it docked in 2014. They helped put the brakes on the Obama agenda, including his traditional nominees, he said. Now we are operating under the clear mandate we received in 2018.